Hello and welcome everyone to the Mains PYQ discussion by Neenv. This is a question from Post-Independence Consolidation, a 15 marker from 2018, and the question goes like this. Discuss whether formation of new states in recent times is beneficial or not for the economy of India. So it's a very contemporary question. This is about formation of new states in recent times. And the context is its benefit for the economy of India. So this question can be called as a bouncer, something that requires you to think out of the box. See the way we have answered it in the introduction, we are keeping a generic statement where we will place the entire post-independence consolidation as an ongoing process. So here it is about formation of states in recent times. So we'll argue that formation of states or state formation is an ongoing process. The administrative and socio-cultural reorganization of state is an ongoing process. So it will still continue. Whether we talk about recent times or all times, it is an ongoing process. So that's how we'll start this answer. Then the question asks you to check the benefits. So both sides of the benefits, both sides are to be evaluated here in the perspective of economy. So we'll give the benefits first, then we'll look at the drawbacks. See the benefits here? Regional development and resource allocation, because there is specific focus on a particular region. For example, take the case of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. When you have two states, you have two administrative heads, two chief ministers, two ministries. Special focus can be given on a specific area. That's always good from the economic perspective. Second is governance and service delivery. Keep the same framework in mind. It will apply for this as well. Next up is political representation. They'll get more Rajya Sabha seats. Rajya Sabha is the council of states. So more demands can be raised in the central legislature as well. Next, welfare of the marginalized. So when Jharkhand was taken out of Bihar in 2000, more focus could be given to the issues specific to Jharkhand, specifically the marginalized tribal groups in the region. Next, prevention of the one size fits all policy. So Uttarakhand was formed from Uttar Pradesh in 2000. So policy that is made for a large group of people follows the principle of one size fits all. But people are not like that. People are heterogeneous. So prevention of one size fits all is a benefit, whether it is economic, social, but here the angle is economy, so we'll give it in the economic perspective. Next up, when it comes to drawback, interstate disputes will continue and that will hamper economy as well. Take the case of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. This issue is still going on with respect to issues like electricity bill, the revenue that is generated by Hyderabad. That's the example I have given here. Because Hyderabad was the economic capital of the region. Now it has gone to Telangana. So Andhra Pradesh is losing out on the revenue. Next, administrative cost is there because you have to set up a new machinery altogether. So there is extra expense for the exchequer. Next, fragmentation of resources. See, when resources are available as a whole, it's easy to design policies. Now we talked about people, but what about resources? When it gets fragmented, it is difficult to design policies and to leverage technology. Then increased bottleneck for investments. So you have one set of rules here on one side, on one state, another set of rules on the other state, then it becomes difficult on the parametric or on the metrics of ease of doing business. Next is fiscal challenge, because some states cannot have their own revenue because the population will be low, revenue compliance will be low, revenue generating sectors will be low. For example, the case of Sikkim. So in that case, formation of new states won't be helpful. So we have given the benefits here as well as the drawbacks, and every point is valid and analytical. Finally, we'll conclude this with the keyword competitive federalism. So cooperative and competitive federalism will enable the economy at the end of the day. So that's the keyword through which we'll conclude this answer. That's it. Thank you for listening.